What is up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm gonna have a super simple install for you guys. It's gonna be super affordable as well. And the cool thing about today's video, if you guys do end up liking this product, you can go check them out in the description box below. I have a 10% off discount code on anything on their website. So if you guys have heard of Tufskinz, go check it out. Like I said, in the description box below, it's a 10% off discount code, anything on their website. So let's go ahead and get into this install, and you're gonna notice it's gonna change the look of this tailgate. Let's go ahead and get into it. So for today's install, we're going to be putting these right here on the tailgate. They're basically inserts for the Tacoma letters. It's going to look really good, and the cool thing about this one from Tufskinz, it's a really good quality, and these ones, they are a little beveled, so it's going to stand out a lot more than the other type that you probably see on other people's trucks. So it's going to be a simple install. The first thing you're going to want to do before installing these inserts, you're going to want to go ahead and maybe get a microfiber towel and some alcohol. We're gonna go ahead and now clean off the surface. Like I stated, this is really easy. There's nothing hard about this. Anybody can do this, including your kids, your moms, your dads, your wife, your husband. Doesn't matter who it is, it's possible. Once you've cleaned off the surface, you wanna go ahead and grab one of the letters. It's going to be really easy. There's seriously nothing hard about this. The cool thing about Tufskinz is they provide you this little like pulling part right here. So you just go ahead and pull it back and it helps you. All it is double-sided tape, some really good one. So you want to go ahead and now just align it. Make sure it goes right in the center so it looks good. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and do the rest. Damn, that looks sick. All right, you guys, now that we're done with the install, like I said, it's seriously super quick and super easy. And now it makes the Tacoma stand out a lot more. It makes the tailgate look really good. Of course, up next, I'm gonna go ahead and have to black out these emblems here because I really don't like chrome, but damn, it gives it that good look. And as I stated, once I add this here, it's gonna look really good on the whole tailgate. If you guys do end up wanting to purchase these, they're gonna be in the description box below with a 10% off discount code just for you guys, and anything you want on their website as well. But I want you guys to get up close right here, and then if you guys can tell, it kind of stands out versus like the other types that there is out there that are kind of just like a sticker. This is a lot better quality, and it feels like it's meant to be. Like, that looks really good. And it kind of helps you too when you're guiding it in for it being this type of style. The quality is great. Can't wait to go ahead and show this off. No, I'm just kidding. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Please make sure to stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing a lot more installs on the Tufskinz products. That way you guys can check it out and kind of see how they look and how easy they are to install all over the truck. So if you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Show you what I have, bitch. You were holding it the whole time. Do the whole thing. Do the whole thing. Go. Go.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm gonna have one of the easiest installs that you could do on your Tacoma. It's gonna be affordable and it makes it look awesome as well. Let's do that again.
Practice.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm gonna have an awesome and easy install for you guys. It's gonna be super affordable and it's gonna make your truck look great. What did I say?
Go.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm gonna have a super simple install for you guys, and it's also an awesome product overall. I'm gonna have a 10% off discount code as well on anything on their products. So make sure to check out the description box below. And if you end up liking the install that we do here today, you can go ahead and get yourself, well, fuck, dude, I don't know.
Go.
All right, so now that I have it all installed, it looks great. It's an awesome quality. Right here, let's go ahead and jump up close, and you're gonna notice the beveled look kind of makes it stand out, of course, and it gives it for that better touch of feel. It's a lot better quality. I don't know why I keep saying, fuck, dude. I don't know. All right, so I hope you guys did enjoy today's video.